Want to get your BIR TIN number online but don't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to apply for your TIN registration using the eGovPH app. Easy, fast, and beginner friendly. So if you're a first-time taxpayer applying under EO98, just follow along and let's get it done together. First, open the eGov app on your phone and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap Register. Fill in your personal details, then verify your account using the OTP sent to your phone or email. If you already have an account, simply log in. Enter your email address, then wait for the one-time code to be sent to your email. Open your email, copy the 6-digit code, and enter it in the verification field. Once done, click Done. You'll be prompted with a Face ID authentication page. You can choose to enable or disable this feature based on your preference, then click Continue. Enter your 6-digit mobile PIN to proceed. You will be directed to the home page. Tap View All Services to see the full list of available services. Then, select BIR Taxpayer Identification Number to begin registering for a taxpayer identification number. Please wait while the page loads. A BIR online registration and update system page will appear. Select New Registration, then choose whether you are registering as an individual or as a non-individual. For sole proprietorship or professionals, not regulated by PRC, the documentary requirements are the following. Prepare a valid government-issued ID, such as a birth certificate, passport, driver's license, or community tax certificate, CTC, that clearly shows the applicant's full name, address, and date of birth. For the practice of professions regulated by PRC, submit a valid ID showing your address or proof of residence or business address. You may also need to present your DTI certificate, Certificate of Authority, or Barangay Micro Business Enterprise, BMBE, registration, if applicable. If you are transacting through a representative, you must present a Special Power of Attorney, SPA, and a valid government-issued ID. Click Log in to ORUS. You will then be prompted to create an account. Click Register as Taxpayer, then select Without Existing TIN. Next, choose your user type. In this example, select Get TIN for Filipino Citizen. Then fill in your personal information, including your first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Select your civil status. If you do not have a suffix, choose N.A. Next, enter your gender and email address. Please enter the taxpayer's email address. This will serve as the permanent and official email in the BIR taxpayer's record. Then create your password, re-enter it to confirm, and click Done. Take note: the taxpayer's permanent email address must be used during registration. Click I acknowledge to continue. Enter your password, confirm it, then click Register. Enter your password and confirm it. Make sure both passwords match. Then, tick the reCAPTCHA box and click Register. An OTP link sent to your email to verify your email. Then validate your email by clicking the link. A notification will appear confirming that you have successfully created your account. Then, log in to continue. Reminder: change your password regularly to keep your ORUS account safe and secure. Click Continue. Please select the purpose of your application. Then answer the next question: do you have an authorized representative? Select Yes, if another person will process or represent your registration for you. Select No, if you are the one personally processing your registration. If you want to read the instructions on how to upload your documents, click the link to view the detailed guide. Upload your document in JPEG, PNG or PDF format. Uploads are limited to a maximum file size limit of 25 MB. To continue, click Upload File to upload your government-issued ID. Then, upload a clear photo of yourself holding the same ID for verification. Please wait for the file to finish uploading before proceeding to the next step. Then, upload a clear photo of yourself holding your valid ID for identity verification. Click Continue. Then check the sworn statement confirming that all the attached documents were verified by you and that the information provided is true and correct. Then click Submit Application, wait, then click Proceed. If you notice any discrepancies in your profile after registration, click Synchronize to update. Then check your email to verify your account, click Verify Account. An email confirming that your online application is submitted, showing the taxpayer's information. For inquiries and updates regarding the status of your TIN application, please contact your Revenue District Office, RDO. You may view the list of available RDO contact details and corresponding email addresses through the link provided. And that's it, your BIR TIN registration is now complete. Just wait for the confirmation and always check your email or contact your RDO for updates. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can also register their TIN easily and hassle-free.